Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Steve McGuinness of AvL Technologies. Steve, we've spoken many times before and I always start with the same question: what's happening in the market? But there are things happening in the market, aren't there?
Yeah, I think there's been a lot of changes. I mean, obviously there's been a lot of economic issues and financial issues for most suppliers right the way throughout the world over the last few years. But there are currently a number of very lively areas for us, one of which is the new activities with the MEO satellites and O3B. And there's also a range of other services that are coming on board, both with MEOs and LEOs. So that's a completely new market area for us and a very exciting one.
Quality always shines through though, and AvL do produce quality products. But do you find that you're seeing low-cost competitors coming at you?
I think that there are always low-cost competitors, but again, with people looking to budgets, cost of ownership is very high on people's minds. So, of course, the headline price is an issue, but people do look for quality. They do look for the long-term cost of ownership costs, and in many of the areas we're shining through, as you say, quality does make a difference.
In terms of new products, what have you got coming up?
Well, we're going in both directions, both smaller antennas, not only motorized small antennas, but manually operated flyaways, and we're going into larger antennas such as the one behind us, right the way up to 4.6 and 5.6 meter sizes. And another new area for AvL is a move into the very high spec fixed earth station markets. And
the fixed earth station market, I take it that is a big growth area.
It has very high potential. I mean, we're not looking at the traditional C and KU band markets. They're well serviced by the existing manufacturers, but there are the higher spec, higher tech requirements of the Ka band market, for example, where our very special carbon fiber capabilities offer very good solutions that other people can't meet with standard metal antennas.
Now we're at a broadcast show. You must have some views on whether there be a mass rollout of 4K. I mean, how's that going to affect things?
Well, I think it's certainly affecting things with people again looking at larger antennas to satisfy the bandwidth requirements that 4K brings along. So there's a continuous process of people trying to push antenna sizes down, and at the same time technology keeps on trying to push antenna sizes up. But we've got such a wide range of antennas that we can satisfy virtually every requirement.
Well, Steve, I look forward to talking to you at the next show, but I hope it all goes well. Thanks very much.
Thank you.